Hey guys, Dr. Lowry here with Southside Chiropractic Car Injury Clinic on the south side of Jacksonville. What I wanted to do is I wanted to shoot a video today. I had someone send me a question about how do we base our treatment protocols when a patient comes into our clinic with a new injury, okay? And how we address those certain issues is based on the three phases of healing. And the body goes through these three phases of healing when the body's injured. So for example, if you cut your finger, your body goes through this healing. If you injure your low back or your neck, your body goes through these three processes. And those processes are: one is the inflammation phase. The first thing that happens is the body creates inflammation around that injured area, and there's recruitment of cells to that area that help control bacteria, and it also help control the healing process. Okay. The second phase is after the inflammation phase is calmed down, the body goes into what we call the repair phase. This is what you will know as scar tissue. Okay, so what happens is after the inflammation phase, about 3 days, the body will begin to repair itself. So it will recruit new tissues to that area to help heal the area. Okay, and what it does is it takes away the cells it doesn't need anymore, and it begins to lay down new collagen fibers. Okay, this is important in this phase to get physical medicine such as chiropractic care to help realign those fibers and make sure they're laying down properly. That's the #1 goal. And the repair phase can last up to 12 weeks. Okay, the third phase of healing is called the remodel phase. The most important concept to think about during the remodel phase is to get therapies that help strengthen the new scar tissue and those collagen fibers. Okay, so what we want to do in that phase is again utilize chiropractic care to help restore the motion in the joints to make sure those collagen fibers are laying down properly. Okay, whenever there's stress to the area, we want to make sure that the body's laying down those collagen fibers properly so you're healing better. That's the main concept when we go into the remodel phase. So anytime a patient comes to in our office, we do a thorough consultation examination and we determine the severity of their injury. So we try to understand more specifically, is that a permanent injury that they had years ago, or is it a new injury that we need to aggressively treat it so they don't have permanent injury? Okay, our main goal is again to make sure those collagen fibers are laying down properly and to help prevent future injury as well as prevent permanent injury and chronic pain, because what happens when you injure the area, there's a recruitment of nerve endings to that area. So if you're not getting the proper therapies that you need, your body's going to heal incorrectly with that scar tissue, and you're going to have restricted mobility. You're going to have increased pain, which is going to turn into chronic pain and most likely permanent injury. Okay, so again, when you come into our office, the first thing we look at is we want to assess the severity of the injury, and that best helps us determine what type of treatment plan that you will need. Okay, every patient is different based on their condition and what their limitation and restriction is. But the concept of treatment never changes because the body doesn't change when it's injured and it's healing. It goes in those three phases. You know, it's not my opinion, it's not the chiropractic philosophy, it's the physiology of the human body and what it does when it's injured. So we base our treatment on those objective protocols, and we base it on the physiology of the body. Okay, so I just wanted to take some time and address that issue. I'll try to send this video out to as many people as possible so they can better understand what we do at our clinic, okay, and how how you can value us when you have a certain new injury. Okay, so if you want to get a hold of us, please give a call to our office, 904-497-0823. Until next time, take care, guys. Bye.